Just moments after leaving the Cowichan River, where seagulls danced and fed on the spawning salmon, I spotted two eagles perched high in the trees. One of them took off, soaring overhead as if to check me out. Moments later, the second followed, their powerful wings carrying them toward the horizon. A fleeting, breathtaking connection with the wild. And just like that, the eagles disappeared beyond the trees, leaving me with a sense of awe and connection to this land. Moments like these remind us of nature's quiet power and the balance of life. Until next time, stay tranquil.